Sekunyaka wesibili manje kugujwa usuku lwabasebenzi ngaphansi kombhedukazwe wegciwane iCovid-19 ekhuluma kumbongazo obubanjelwe ekomkhulu lekhosathu. Umongameli Ramaphosa ukhumbuza abantu bakuleli ukuthi ukumiswa komgomo wokulwa negciwane wakwa-Johnson sekuqediwe kanti uhlelo lokugonywa kokuqaba kuleli selibuyele emqeni.
We had to pause the Johnson sisonke trial due to the reports of this vaccine being linked to incidents of blood clotting in the United States. No instances of blood clotting were detected or experienced in our own country during this trial period. Our country resumed the vaccination process on Wednesday and with strengthened protocols to screen and to monitor for potential blood clots. In the interim, South Africa has increased our supplies, particularly vaccines that we are getting from Pfizer. We will soon begin vaccinating people who are over 60 and certain other designated categories of people with comorbidities and other high-risk groups in phase 2 of the vaccination rollout.
Enkulumweni yakhe unobhala jikelele we-SABC uBlade Nzimande uthe kumele kuqiniswe umkhankaso wokulwa nenkohlakalo kuleli.
The unity of the ANC and the unity of our alliance. Let us unite to build the capacity of our state to transform society for the better. Let us defend and strengthen our state-owned enterprises so as to build a better economy. But we must learn lessons. We must not allow fake strengthening of state-owned enterprises so that they are looted. State-owned enterprises must be strengthened for a progressive economic policy, not for looting.
Umongameli wekhosathu usingiswa Lusi unxuse iqembu elibusayo i-ANC ukuthi ingenelele kwingxabano phakathi kahulumeni nezinyunyana maya nokwenyuswa kwamaholo.
It is up to our ally, the ANC, to determine the success of this upcoming campaign. The ANC government needs to intervene and resolve the issues that workers have raised, or else we will have a parallel campaign preparing for a massive strike.
Umongameli Ramaphosa uthe izinyunyana nohulumeni kumele babuyele etafuleni bazame ukuthola isixazululo sodaba lwemholo. Mbongeni Muthwa, SABC, eGoli.